Hello guys, greetings to each and every one of you. So on today's video, I got a call concerning this split unit air conditioner, and this air conditioner is sharp air conditioner. So as it's working, the unit is dropping. As you can see, take a good look at how the compressor terminal and the capacitor terminal is. So the capacitor terminal is burnt, and whenever this unit want to start, the overload will trip it off. So I decided that after my confirmation, I know that the capacitor is bad. So guys, I'll be changing the capacitor. So first of all, I'm looking for a way to take off the old capacitor so I can replace the new capacitor. So here is the process on how I'm able to remove this capacitor and to fix a new one. So guys, I've successfully removed the terminal from the capacitor. So I'm looking for a way to remove the capacitor from this spot it is now. So there is no way. So what I have to do now is to lose the terminal cable. Where you can see now I'm losing the terminal. So by losing this place will enable me to remove the capacitor successfully, so that it will enable me to replace the new capacitor. So guys, I've successfully removed the old capacitor. So this is the old capacitor. Look at it, it is burnt. So this capacitor is bad. So I'll be replacing a new capacitor. So already I've gotten a new capacitor, but because before now I've already checked the air condition and I find out that it is the capacitor that is the problem. So here is the new capacitor that I got. So I'll be replacing the new capacitor. So this is 35 plus 5 UF. So but in this case the other one have only two pin, which is common and uh, starting. So why this one have with fan and the other one have is fan capacitor separately. So what I have to do now is only to fix the common and the running of the capacitor. So or the common and starting of the capacitor. So that's it. I've successfully fixed the capacitor. So I'll be doing the connection now, and I'll be starting the unit for you to see how the unit is performing. So please, if today is the first time you're coming across my video, please do well to follow this page, like and share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. And if you have any opinion, please put it under the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kingdom Technical Services. Thank you. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video to the end and see how I successfully replaced this capacitor and see the performance of the unit. Auntie, on am. So guys, after I might have successfully connect the capacitor and replace the capacitor, so I have to turn it on like I told the owner to turn the air conditioner on, and this unit have to stay for 5 minutes before the outdoor unit will peak. So I have to wait for 5 minutes to confirm the performance of the air conditioner. So guys, stay tuned, watch the video to the end. So you have to take 5 minutes before this outdoor unit will start. So I'm done with everything and you'll see how the unit performance will be. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to share this video and also follow this page, like and share so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, the unit is running now. So as you can see, the high side is forming ice, but it will take a little time and this ice will defrost. So this ice that is forming here doesn't mean that there is no gas on the unit. It will take a little time because the unit is just starting. So it will take a little time before it will defrost. As you can see, the low side copper pipe is returning. I can feel the cooling on the low side copper pipe, means that there is gas in this unit. So it's no low gas. So thank you for watching this video.